This is Morocco. More precisely, this is south of Morocco. And I'm on a motorcycle tour. When traveling in southern Morocco, you can stay in amazing places like this. This is called kasbah, and it's a type of fortified home built by Berber people. Kasbah is a square building with high fortified walls and 4 towers, one in each corner. They were built by richer and more important Berber families to protect themselves and their wealth. The amazing part is that the kasbahs are built out of mud bricks, clay, and straw. Because of that, unfortunately, in modern times, many kasbahs went into a decay. But luckily, the increase of tourism brought new life to these places. They have been renovated and turned into small hotels and B&Bs where you can have an amazing overnight experience. This is vast, beautiful, and amazing sea of sand dunes in southern Morocco. This is a gateway to Sahara Desert, and it is located next to the town of Merzouga. And here they have a local legend about how these sand dunes were created. According to the legend, these sand dunes were a punishment by God for the citizens. Once upon a time, a poor woman and her son walked out from the desert and they looked for a place to stay. All families in the city refused the hospitality, and God was offended, and that's why he brought the sand to cover the families and their wealth under these huge piles. Some of these sand dunes are rising up to 200 meters or 650 feet high. Today, this is a popular destination from where you can enter the desert on a camel, on an ATV, on a jeep, or on a motorcycle. one-week off-road motorcycle tour in southern part of Morocco came to an end. It was beautiful. On the moments it got really hard, but it was epic and unforgettable. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, or maybe even your own experience about southern part of Morocco, please leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. This way, you will help me create more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.